A lot of you people are very soft when it comes to the death penalty. Once convicted in a court of law, I am for all murders, particularly when it comes to the killing of a police officer and or a child, to be legally exterminated. And I'm not talking about appeal process, appeal, 15 years, 17 years on death row like John Wayne Gacy. Murderers should be legally executed after convicted in a court of law. Some of you Republicans are babies, pushovers. I believe drug pushers, gangbangers that sells dope should be, once convicted in a court of law, legally exterminated. There's no fear in the streets. There is no fear. These gangbanging scumbags is shooting at police, hurting children, beating up senior citizens, and no one is batting an eye as if this is normal behavior. This is not normal behavior, okay? Citizens of Chicago, real U.S. citizens, innocent people should not be harmed at all. At all, you understand? Back 30 years ago, when some of you Republicans were in diapers, or your mom was wiping your ass because you didn't know anything, with the very exception of your little baby toys, the death penalty was legal in Illinois. It was. John Wayne Gacy was executed in Illinois. And then you had pussy governors that took it away. They took it away. And it needs to come back. The death penalty needs to be reinstated in Illinois. Now, I know the only candidate for governor that's for the death penalty is Bailey, Darren Bailey. Everybody else is lenient. They think people should get second chances after selling dope, and the child, the 15-year-old, the 14-year-old, because they're children to me, overdose on the drugs because it was laced with fentanyl. But we'll give that person a second chance because he didn't know it was laced with fentanyl. We'll give him a job. We'll remove his tattoos. What the fuck is that about? The only rehabilitation program for a drug-dealing gangbanger once convicted in a court of law is pure extermination. Extermination. Legal execution. Legal execution. The death penalty reinstated in Illinois will bring crime down. The only way to get these drug dealers and murderers of kids, murders of police officers, is not life sentence. It's not a life sentence where John Q. taxpayer takes care of their morning breakfast, their afternoon lunch, and their nightly dinner, day after day after day. Why does a convicted murderer in Illinois get 3 squares a day and is on some work program? Is that fair? And the meanwhile, when he's in the holding cell, before he's convicted, Tom Dart will allow him to vote. That's our system. I call him Tom Fart. Tom Fart. Because he's a Democrat fart. It's appropriate. So as of now, I'm for Bailey, because Bailey's for the legal execution of all murderers, drug dealers, child rapists. They should be legally exterminated. Exterminated. And for you Republicans that don't put a like on my posts because I'm pro-death penalty, you are a bunch of pussies. And I would say that to your face. And with that, have a happy new year. I love you all.